welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to film this because I want to share some tools and products that I've been using to keep my hair straight for up to 2 weeks. Now, I did tell you guys in a few videos back that I'm going to be straightening my hair once every other month now. So by once, I mean like one time for that month, not like the entire month straight. I did that and I felt like my curls were kind of taking a toll on that, so I just decided to do straightening it one time for that month. So of course, with having your hair straight, you need to have it super duper clean. Now, I know a lot of naturals, you know, are very hesitant about the shampoos that they use because they feel like it strips their hair. But I always tell people, when you want your hair to be super straight but lightweight and last for a long time, like I can keep mine straight for up to 2 weeks, you want it to be super duper clean. Like, I cannot even stress that enough, because your hair won't even like straighten right if it's not clean. So the conditioner and shampoo that I've been using for my hair is the Andre Walker Gold System shampoo and conditioner. I like the packaging, and it also comes with the curl cream as well. I'm so glad they gifted this to me. When I tell you my hair feels so good after this shampoo, like you can just tell that it's super duper clean. Like, it's borderline squeaky clean to where it feels scary, like your hair is dry, but it's not. And I really do feel like that made my hair so straight and pretty on that first go round, because like honestly the only reason why I haven't ponytail right now is because it's been like raining a lot. So if the weather is pretty like rainy, my hair is not gonna last quite 2 weeks, you know. So if the weather permits, it will last 2 weeks, but that's a whole other story. So the conditioner that comes with it as well is very, very thick, and it's 2-in-1. So like, I still have a lot left in here. It can also be used as a deep conditioner, but I didn't really use it as deep conditioner. I just used, you know, just a regular shampoo and conditioner, and then I followed up with a deep conditioner. Now, when I straighten my hair, I like to do a full-blown like prep to my hair. Like, I'll shampoo it, I will do either a protein treatment or a deep conditioner, because I'm going to be putting my hair through all that like manipulation and heat, you know. So one thing I've also been using for my deep conditioner lately is this Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. Now, I use this in my 1 year straightening hair update video, but I had it like in the little packs. But I do suggest going ahead and investing in getting the actual full bottle. I've used this like 3 times already, and I still have a lot left, so a little goes a long way. It is like $11.99, I believe. I'll have everything linked in the description box below, but I feel like this is a good investment because I've been telling you guys how my hair in the front, when it's washed, I've been showing you in a lot of clips that it looks like it's heat damaged, or, you know, just damaged in general, and I couldn't really figure out why, especially because, you know, I did the whole like mini big chop, and I've just trimmed off a lot of my hair, and I could not figure out why my hair was acting the way it is. But I'm going to really go in depth about that in another video, because I really came to the conclusion that I either have moisture or protein overload. Not protein overload, but it's a certain term for it. I've been doing some research on it, but I'll talk about that later. But the reason I went for a lot of protein heavy products is because I want to make sure I'm just really treating my hair to keep it, you know, very, very strong. Because although it seems like my hair is fairly healthy, in which it is, there's still a lot of things that I notice with it, you know, as I'm doing my hair. It's either like little split ends here and there, or like gaps in between the hair shaft. And so I know I'm not really like doing anything too bad for it to be doing that, but at the same time, if it was there beforehand, I want to go ahead and make sure I'm treating it properly. So I really, really love this deep conditioner, which also leads me to show you guys the tool that I've been using in a lot of videos, and I kept saying I was going to tell you guys about it, but here it is. It is the Layla Ali soft bonnet dryer. Is it soft bonnet dryer? Yeah, I think that's what it is. Not satin bonnet dryer, so yeah, it's the soft bonnet dryer. I've been telling everybody about this. I feel like this is one of the greatest investments you can make. I will leave the link in the description box below for you guys. This is perfect for a college student because look at the size. You can easily store it away, and you can use this for deep conditioning treatments, which is what I've been using it for on my videos, to dry your hair. Like, if I want to do a braid or a twist out and I did it at like 6 o'clock in the evening and I have class at 10 o'clock the next day, I'm gonna need this bad boy. Like, I'm gonna need my hair to be dry, you know. And it's just the fact that it's just so convenient and compact. Like, the greatest investment ever. If you're a college student and you're watching this video right now, get you this before you go to school. I promise you, you will thank me for this. Like, because you're not going to have room for a big hooded dryer, which I'm still going to pretty much invest in that because I'm moving in an apartment this year. But this right here has saved me so many nights. So many nights that I know I would have cried because my braid out did not come out right. And you guys know, if your braid out twist out is not dry, it's not gonna be right. It's not gonna be right. So definitely take a look into this Layla Ali soft bonnet dryer. Another cool feature about this, it has 3 heat settings. It goes from low all the way to high. And of course, it has a little storage compartment for you to put the cap in and the plug. And then the nozzle is right here. So I love this thing so much. I wish it came in other colors, but you know, you can store it away because it's so small. Alright, so moving on to after I, you know, condition my hair. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys is, you know, I've been talking about the Afro G protein treatment and the keratin treatment. Now, with the Afro G protein treatment, this is like the stronger version of this. So I would tell people all the time that I would do this like once every 2 months. I don't do it back to back. It says like every 6 weeks, I believe, on here. I don't really need to do all that. So, you know, I just kind of spread mine out. But if your hair is like severely damaged, then definitely go by what the bottle is saying. I also do the keratin 2-minute reconstructor. I've been talking about this on my Instagram for like months now, and I really do see a difference with my deep conditioners after using this. I feel like it penetrates into my hair a lot better. So definitely have these in your stash. You don't have to use them every time that you wash your hair or get ready to straighten it, but it's definitely great to have these in your stash. Okay, so once I've treated my hair and get ready to blow dry it, I've been loving the Lot of Body Blowout lotion. Now, it's not really like a lotion consistency. It's more like a watery, runny consistency, but you really want to watch this. You don't want to be too heavy-handed with this because you can weigh your hair down and you don't want that. So when I say I use a dime size amount, like in 4 sections, literally that's all you need. And this does a really good job with fighting against humidity. You guys know I'm in Tallahassee, Florida, so the humidity there is just something serious. Like, I'm from Atlanta and the humidity is bad here, but like in Florida, it's like to the 10th power. You know what I mean? Like, it's horrible. So when I tell you guys I've been using this when it's like in the dead hot center of summer and homecoming, you know, going to a party, you know, your edges gonna sweat out a little bit, but this kind of like helps it not be so bad. Like, this is the truth, I'm telling you. Just try it one time. You'll definitely see what I'm talking about. You need to try it. And of course, I only have a little bit left of this. You've seen this in like all my videos so far that I had my hair straightened, because like this has to be my favorite product out of this entire stash because it's so legit. Like, this helped me my first homecoming freshman year because I was like, I need to have my hair straight, but like I don't know if it's gonna last, you know. And this ended up lasting me for 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks. It helped my hair last for 2 whole weeks in the hot heat and the humidity. So just imagine pairing it with this, okay? That's how good your hair is gonna be. So the great thing about this is it's anti-humidity, of course, and it's also a gloss. So instead of, you know, doing the whole oil sheen thing, you just spray a little bit of this in your hands and kind of rub it through. Now, when I put it in my hair, I'll put it on, like before I blow dry it, like on top of this, straighten through, and then spray all over my hair one last time before I go through with the straightener. So I also like this because it's kind of like you can't really the bonnet dryer fail. You can't really like mess this up, and you can't really like oversaturate your hair with it because it is so lightweight. And it's only $8.99 at my beauty supply store. I honestly can probably find it cheaper somewhere else, but yes, I absolutely love this right here. And last but not least, I want to show you guys the new flat iron that I've been using. So you guys know on my last video where I was showing you my 1-year update straightening hair routine, I was using that big 1-inch flat iron that was by Conair. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you. So it was this. I've had this bad boy for such a long time, and this has like honestly got my hair bone straight to the point where I'm like, oh my gosh, this is literally like so good for textured hair. So I wanted to try another Conair flat iron, but the thing that really drew my attention to this was the plates on the outside. So if you guys are familiar with the Baby Bliss flat iron that has the plates on the outside, this is like a dupe for that, and it's literally like only $49.99. I paid $50 for this, whereas the Baby Bliss one was $179. And this got my hair bone straight. You can curl with it. You can do the exact same thing as that Baby Bliss flat iron for a whole lot cheaper. So shout out to Conair for being so textured girl friendly, because this is the truth. I always straighten my hair on like the highest setting, so it goes up to 400 degrees. And you do want to be careful because the place on the outside are like really hot, like you can feel the heat coming off of it. So that's why I'm glad it has little silicone tips on the end for you to, like, you know, press down and have that grip. And when I look into good flat irons, I always look at how the plates get really close together and really grip. That's when you know it's going to get your hair like straight. So yes, I've been loving this tool, and that is pretty much it. Like, it's not really like rocket science of what I do. You know, of course, after I straighten my hair, the first few nights I like to wrap it. I already have a video on that. I'll have that in the description box below. I have various ways of how to tie my hair down, but yep, that's pretty much how I keep it straight for up to 2 weeks. It usually is the products I'm using. So if you're in a high humidity place, I'm telling y'all, look into these 2 products. Like, it will save you. It will save you so much time. It will save you a headache. It will save you tears. Like, this saved me in college, okay? So definitely look into that. Let me know any other hair videos you guys want me to show you guys. I'm thinking about doing a natural hair product favorites and tools favorites that I've been using on my hair when it's not straight. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.